The Istanbul Cipher. Chapter 12. Subpart F. The restoration wing smelled like plaster dust and lemon polish. We crept past crates labeled in Turkish and French, the lights low, only the blue glow from Emre's laptop illuminating our path. Kansu led the way with quiet defiance, her museum badge swinging from her lanyard like it had something to prove. I've got 15 minutes before the security bot does its round. Make it count. We ducked into a glass-walled workroom. Emre cracked open the old hard drive with surgical precision, hands flying over the keys. "This shouldn't even be live," he muttered. "But someone archived these scans manually." Sibyl hovered behind him, her breath hitching when the folder opened. Inside, layered restoration files, 3D models, fragment overlays, a 1,000-year jigsaw puzzle in digital form. One image stopped us all. A circular mosaic, fractured but legible. Its design wove 3 scripts into one pattern: Greek, Armenian, Arabic. A cipher, hidden in plain sight, spiraling outward from a central sunburst. I leaned in. "Have you seen this before?" Layla nodded, stunned. "It matches the sketch from Anahid's diary. This is the real church." Emre began cross-referencing the metadata. GPS tags, file origins, server logs. It was marked for demolition after the '87 gas leak. But the permit lists it as a storage facility, no religious designation. "Still standing?" Ayla asked, already pulling up satellite maps. Emre pointed. "Barely. But yes." I stepped back, letting them orbit the discovery, their voices low, focused, brave. It wasn't just about reclaiming truth anymore. It was about protecting what should have never been erased. Then Emre froze. His screen stuttered. "Wait!" A diagnostic ping popped up, unusual traffic. A ghost signal had followed them in, watching their data stream. "IP trace?" I asked. "Ministry subnet," he whispered. "Same one that hit us before." We stared at the screen as the session flickered. The files vanished from the shared drive. Emre yanked the USB. Too late. Layla exhaled. "They know we found it." Outside, the museum halls were silent. Too silent. We were no longer searching in secret. We were being hunted in the open. Listen to full chapters on my YouTube account.